What is up, you guys? Good morning. I'm so excited. Hopefully today's video is a pleasant surprise for not just me, for you guys too, but we're going to the glass store. Glass shopping. Okay, so because I've got an update coming up already in less than a week and a half, I figured I gotta go to the glass store, get some more, because I'm actually starting, what am I even calling it, upcoming release request list. And there's a few pieces of glass I'm really hoping she has. I haven't seen her in like 5 months. So because of the pandemic, obviously, and then before that, I went to a new glass store that I took you guys with me to, Toy Town. So it's been like 5 months since I've seen her. And she said last time I was there that she would be getting a iridescent truck in spring. It's fucking spring, so hopefully she's got it. If not, it's okay. I'm gonna be happy to see her. And I was thinking of stopping at TJ Maxx too. If it's not insane, it's open now. So if there's not a line out the door, we'll stop there too. So if that sounds interesting, you wanna come glass shopping, let's go. Really quick, so an update about the office. So because I'm now not taking custom orders anymore, I don't know if you guys follow me on my Instagram too. If not, check it out, I'll link it down below. But I announced that I'm no longer taking custom requests and I'm just going to be doing shop restocks every 2 weeks. So because of that, I wanna make sure that I'm fully prepared and stocked for my stock restock before I start working on my office. So because of that, the office has again been postponed. It sucks, but it's okay. I mean, I'm still kind of like collecting bits here and there. I've got, oh my God, I haven't even shown you guys the hangers, the hooks I'm gonna put on the wall. It's gonna be so much fun. But anyway, that's postponed. Gotta get ready for the update. So it's gonna be a few weeks probably before I get the office done, the video uploaded and edited. It's probably going to be a series of quite a few videos because there's so much I'm doing in here. The walls, the floor, already did the beautiful lighting. I still cannot get over that. Tell me not, that was worth every single fucking penny. Okay, anyway, so office will be coming in a few weeks. Meantime, let's get to the glass store. I'm so excited to see her. Okay guys, we are officially here. I'm so excited. I've got my new, brand new clean cloth mask on because you can't wear these bitches more than once. Let's go and shop. All right guys, so just a mini change of plans. I can't remember if I had mentioned last time that I wanted to get one of these, but the time has come. I'm getting one. I think it's gonna be a game changer. It's gonna make it a whole lot easier. So I've got one fresh in the box. She's convinced me. Now I can shop for glass. Okay guys, so I just wanted to quickly mention something because if I saw, I guess I'd be curious too, but I'm not wearing my mask anymore. Now, the reason for that is because after talking with the owner and she realized it was me coming in, I've been tested, the door's closed, it's just me in there shopping, and we're both comfortable with wearing our masks, so we both took them off. All right guys, so because I'm getting that, what are they even called? Saw. So since I'm getting that saw, I'm not gonna get too much glass. So I've only picked up a few pieces and a couple pieces of new bullseye that she just showed me. And see where we're at. That way I don't go too crazy since I got the saw. Got that. Pretty sure I have everything else. All right. Here's the ring saw in all its glory. And she's got some stacks of glass for me here. Ooh, look at that pretty iridescent. You guys are gonna love this one. Okay, I don't know why I get this question often, but this is typically what I spend in a glass trip regardless of if I get a saw. Right. You know what, we can probably put it right in the trunk, I guess. Yeah. I think I cleaned the trunk out. Now is your seat leather? Nope, it's cloth. Oh, okay. Get some personal help all the way out to the car too. Grade A service here. Okay guys, I didn't want her carrying this out. So like I said, I didn't get too much glass because unfortunately she still has not gotten more iridescent in, which is really such a bummer because I needed a whole lot more than that. But the upside is I ended up getting a saw that I really needed. So at least we got the saw, and we have Toy Town that we can go see next week to actually get some iridescent glass back in. I'm trying not to be super disappointed because I love this woman so much. I love her so much. I love this store so much. Like I said, this is where I built my business from. But this has been months that I've been waiting for more iridescent to come in, and I can't wait. That's all I work with. So I was really hoping that she would have had some today or had more. Such a bummer. But at least we got this. That's something until my next restock. And like I said, we'll have to go to Toy Town Stained Glass. I actually did just get an email from them this morning saying, okay guys, you can actually come in and shop. So hopefully we'll be able to do that next week. And like I said, I've got that saw, so I'm really looking forward to that. And it was so nice to see her. I was so looking forward to seeing her. Let me use some hand sanitizer. I was really looking forward to seeing her. It had been so long, and she was really excited to see me too, which of course always makes me feel good. But yeah, well, I'm really excited I got the saw. Of course, that helps her in her business. So I'm happy I got it from her, and we'll go see Toy Town. Okay, so now that I'm on my way home, figured we should go over, oh, hopefully the AC noise isn't in you guys' ears. I figured we should just quickly go over what my plan is for videos coming up, because this video itself was unexpected, but I kind of want to explain what's going on. So obviously I wanted to get that office video in office redone. I want it redone so badly, but it is going to take such a long time, like I mentioned earlier. So now that I'm not taking custom orders anymore and I'm only doing restocks every 2 weeks, I've got to very carefully plan ahead to make sure I'm not overwhelming myself and not cutting myself short on time. So I was originally planning to do the office this week. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to get everything I need to finished for the upcoming restock. Then I can get the office done. And that gives me a little bit of time in between my next restock as well, versus rushing to get everything done now. So I'll probably have, obviously this video is going to come up. I'll do my nail video, the stained glass grinding bits, different kinds and how to use them, and then we'll get to the office and redoing that room. So yeah, I think that's kind of the plan for now. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, like I said, go follow me. I'll link it down below, and there's much more frequent updates as far as shop restocks and stuff like that. Okay, so that's the plan. I'll see you when we get back home and we can look at everything I got at the glass store. My new fucking saw, I'm so excited. I've been wanting a glass saw for so long. This is gonna be such a game changer. So while it was super disappointing not getting all the glass I wanted, but I'm pumped. All right, I'll see you guys back at home. All right, now to the fun stuff. You guys, I am so excited. Stuff like this gets me like, I mean, I always love my job and I'm always so excited about my job, but stuff like this makes me so grateful for my job and grateful that I can do this and put so much love, money, energy, and time back into my business. All right. I have been dying, oh, I already pulled the tape on this side, to get my hands on one of these for so long. Because this is a game changer as far as the shapes and ways that I can cut things out. This is going to, I'm unstoppable now. There's nothing I can't cut out now that I have this. This is like the last real big missing piece to my stained glass tool collection, I guess you could say. This is what it looks like. So it looks almost just like a table saw. And right here, there's technically, I guess, a band saw right in the middle, a very small band saw. And you can push your glass up against it and cut any which way you want to. So I'm really thrilled about this, you guys. And like I said, it was a total bummer that I wasn't able to get the glass that I needed today, but I got this and that makes up for it. So it looks like it comes with a shield. This is going to be the actual saw. Now, I've never even used one of these. I didn't know these existed until a little while ago, so I'm absolutely going to have to read through all the directions and all that fun stuff before I get into any of this. Oh, look, because it's stained glass and everything is like old, I guess. There's a DVD that comes with it. Oh my God, you guys. Some items shown in the DVD have been discontinued. Please refer to owner's manual for updated info. The Taurus 3, everything you wanted to know, but we're afraid to ask. You guys, oh my God. Would you guys want to see some of this? This is probably so weird and so awkward. Okay, so it comes with the DVD, the instruction manual, the plate, comes with the, Jesus, what is this called? It's the grid that sits on top where you actually rust your glass. I can't think of the word right now because I'm so excited. Like I said, the actual saw itself, this is the band right here. That's what cuts through the glass. That is insane. And the basin. 102, 103. I don't know if you guys are even gonna wanna see me put this together. Maybe I'll just show you guys once I actually have it all together. Because we still have some glass to look at. All right, so like I said, unfortunately, she has not gotten her new iridescent truck in yet. So I did not get much glass. I did get my hands on my favorite abalone. So I got a couple of these small size sheet of that abalone glass. I don't think I got any ripple whatsoever, like such a bummer. Oh, I did get this one. This is the only one. And it's like a light mauve ripple, but that's it. So hopefully Toy Town will have some good ripple iridescent in stock. Another sheet of that abalone. I believe I already have quite a bit of this, but I felt bad. I wanted to get more. So I grabbed a couple more of this bright vintage orange. Got this. Beautiful. It's like, again, very mauve. Rainbow iridescent, so it's got that true rainbow across the entire piece. I never use glass like, oh, you guys are crooked. I'm so sorry. Why didn't you say anything? All right, I've never used this. I also got that same in yellow, that beautiful rainbow iridescent, and it's a very see-through yellow. Another same piece of that vintage orange. Already almost done, you guys. I did not get much at all. Trust me, I'm just as disappointed as you probably. I got a nice hammered clear spectrum iridescent. All right, and then I got this beautiful bubbled spectrum. I can't remember the name of this right now. What is it? What, it's on the tip of my tongue, but it's got a beautiful iridescent shift and it's clear rainbow iridescent. I'm gonna have to cut this piece in half because it's too big to sit over there on my shelf. The very last one is a spectrum clear iridescent water glass. But I'm sure you guys will be happy for some large or XXL stretch phases out of this. So I'm happy to have this. I'm happy with what I did get. I'm so excited to have that saw, and we'll be making another trip to Toy Town soon. That's all that means. So you guys will get another stained glass shopping video. hopefully sooner than later. We'll see. But that's it. That's the last piece. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I know, like I said, I didn't get too much glass, but I'm so super pumped about that saw. So pumped about the saw. Hopefully you guys are too. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down in the comments below if you like this type of video. Do you guys like going shopping with me? Please let me know. Again, as always, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to link everything I can down below. Please go down and check out my social media, my stained glass work and my stained glass business, because those will be linked down below too. And if not, I'll see you next time. Bye.